Okay, so here's what I'm thinking for the stage. Remember, this is just a concept in my head. It may not be possible to do exactly what I've laid out here. I'm thinking a base of 40 by 16, 5 sections by 4 sections. We have the caduceus band for entertainment, so we'll need enough space to accommodate them. They are a big band style, so we'll need quite a bit of space. Access stairs upstage on each side. I left off all the safety rails, but obviously they would be there. I don't know if the stage can support the truss or if it needs to be ground supported or be flown. Anyway, I have built it with 8-foot sticks, a couple of 3-way corner blocks, and a couple of 4-way. Then a couple of 4-foot sticks to raise the front up a little more, a couple more corner blocks, and the proscenium top. I have not drawn in the actual pipe for the pipe and drape, just the drape. So here's 3 pieces to define the upstage wall, then some truss dressing that will function as a mid-stage teaser, as well as some dressing on the back side of the front truss. To define the wings, place a piece of drape that goes from the upstage wall to just behind the downstage truss, leaving a gap for entry. Then another one that goes from upstage to the stair unit. This will create a nice onstage hallway for talent to enter and exit. Now, I want to create a unique proscenium dressing. We will print decorative content to simulate relief carving on foam core or plywood or something like that. Each piece will be attached by some appropriate method to the truss. This should create the illusion of a substantial proscenium at 1 foot thick and 4 feet wide. Note that it would be nice if the front teaser hangs a bit lower. To finish it off, a couple quarter round pieces in the top corners. Then, of course, the dress for the front of the stage. Also, a couple more pieces of drape on either side of the stage to dress it out and provide a gathering place for the talent would be necessary. So there's the concept. The specific dimensions and construction details don't have to be exactly as I have indicated. What I'm going for is a stage box for which we can build and attach a faux proscenium. To make the illusion work, I will obviously need specific dimensions so we can create accurately. Also, since our 3D relief carvings are not really 3D but rather printed to look 3D, a pretty accurate lighting plot will need to be created. That way, the shadows and highlights will be correct. It should work for most of the audience. The only place the illusion will break down will be off to either side in the very front of the room.